Hello everyone and welcome to yet another episode on my channel. Today we will feature crazy Karens doing what Karens do best. People who want to fight bikers, crashes and much more. So before starting the episode, it would mean a lot to me if you guys smack that like button, as well as the subscribe and bell icon to never miss on my episodes. Now enough talk, let's roll the clips.
Death.
2 seconds later.
It's a problem.
You've been riding a motorcycle.
Long enough.
Is that the way you ride a motorcycle?
Yeah, it is. It's the way I ride a motorcycle. It's the way I
asses. You were going over the speed limit.
So, was I causing you any problems? Was I putting your life in danger?
Do you think I ride a motorcycle?
I don't care if you ride a motorcycle. You get the out of here. You're the one that called me over here, you piece of shit.
In the end, the biker did the right thing by not pushing this argument into something more than that.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Excuse me, but your dog's supposed to be leashed at all times. The sign says so.
I understand that.
It says no.
In this bizarre and somewhat awkward situation, both of them were ignoring each other's words and saying their own things. But as they part ways, in the end, both of them were right.
But like I say, they must have either not seen me indicating. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Wow. Right. They stopped out of nowhere. Fucking hell.
It's moments like these that you have to thank Lady Luck for standing by your side, as this biker barely escaped this grim situation.
I took it off for a minute or so, then I f*** off. Typical Tesco's driver. Whoa! What the f***? You No, he didn't have to pull out on me like that and he killed me! Here now, that's the closest I've been to being killed. Whoa! What the f***? I'm good, man. You just gotta watch it, bro.
It's fine, it's on me, alright?
After stepping on the biker's lane without paying attention, this deluded Karen decided to follow the biker and have a little one-on-one talk with him. Watch what happens next.
You want to have a conversation about how you just almost hit me?
You need to be careful when somebody has their blinker on.
Ma'am, I was already right at your quarter panel whenever you put your...
I looked. You weren't.
Ma'am.
What I tell you is, for your own safety, to be careful and be more aware, because...
You need to be more careful and be more aware. Don't you try and talk to me about it. Hey, you're the one that started to come towards me, okay?
You get hit on the side of the road.
It'll be your fault and there will be video proof.
Because you didn't pay attention when you were driving.
Ma'am, I have video proof, okay?
What? I'm not saying I didn't do anything
You did, and you're trying to say that it's my fault. No, you're trying to say it's, hold on, listen. You're trying to say it's my fault. I need to be telling you.
You guys, do you hear me say I'm trying to tell him to be careful?
You need to be careful. You're the one that needs to be careful. You came over towards me. I was in my lane going straight.
If I hit you, it's not going to do anything to me, but it's going to kill you.
Yes, and you're going to go to jail for it because there'll be video proof. You need to be careful. You're the one that needs to open your eyes.
Get hurt. My van will protect you. To tell you, for your own safety, to be careful of other people.
You also need to be careful, okay? You're,
careful as I can be.
man, you're the one that came over towards me.
You are such a stupid idiot. You're going to end up dead on the side of the road because you don't
Because
watch.
some idiot like you ran me over.
You have no control over me, but you
No.
have control over you.
And you also have control over yourself. You need to be more careful.
Whether I'm careful or not doesn't matter whether you're going to die or not. But you need to be careful and watch out for everybody else.
The biker in this situation lost his composure a bit, which could have cost him a lot. Nearly crashing here, but he took it all with a smile in the end. I'm not sure what the person thought by doing this, but the biker was very lucky not to crash into him.
Right. Stay there a sec. Stay down a while. Stay down, relax. Oh, watch it there. Don't fall down the hill. Stay. Are you alright? Yeah, we go. See me? Ah, man. You just spill out on people.
So here we have a white van driver that is visibly confused. It could be from tiredness or something else, but such behavior on the road will surely lead to future accidents.
In, idiot. Bed of the road.
Unfortunately, even when going at a low speed just like this biker did, one can still encounter terrible drivers that pop out of nowhere like this Toyota driver here. That's right, sir, just pop out of nowhere and cut in front of a biker like that. Good job. That'll be all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons, as it really helps the channel grow. Special thanks to everyone who provided me with the clips.